So Arsenal won. Brighton and Hove Albion 3. We're out the cup. Just like that, at the first attempt, we're out the cup. Big up to everybody who watched the watch along. Wasn't the Arsenal watch along, though, was it? It was the Man City Chelsea watch along. Because for some unknown backwards reason, our game wasn't televised anywhere globally. So the only people that could have watched the game tonight were the ones at the ground, despite people setting up watch-alongs for the game tonight. Clickbait at its finest. But it is what it is. Good luck to them. They can do whatever they want. On this channel, we like to keep it real. So thank you to everybody who did come and watch the Manchester City against Chelsea game, where Manchester City, the best team in the country for the last 5 or 6 years, actually who do take this competition seriously and have won it 5 out of the last 7, something like that, 5 out of the last, whatever it is, they progressed tonight. Yeah, is what it is. But anyway, big up to everybody who did watch the watch along. Make sure you are firing the likes up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you check out the previous videos. And don't forget the upcoming videos where Goonie, Man Knows Football, Chelsea fan, is coming to do a fan cam after this on this channel for the Chelsea game that he witnessed. I'm sure he's going to be in off-key mode. My brother from another mother didn't cover himself in glory tonight, although I do think Chelsea should have scored a couple of goals, but kind of comfortable for City, really. And straight after that, he will be coming back to do player ratings on this channel for that same game. But for now, you've got me for about another 8 minutes. So make sure you do subscribe, share the content around, follow all the links in the description. But nobody could watch the game if he wasn't in the ground. I've seen the scoreline. I've seen the reaction and the fallout to it. And it's, oh, it don't matter. We got bigger fish to fry. At least Tottenham lost. Let me just tell you something right now. Last season, we got to the semi-finalist cup competition, lost to the eventual winners, Liverpool. If we had won this competition, or at least got to the final last season, would all of the people that have this mindset of, oh, it don't matter, it doesn't matter, let's just throw that cup away, oh, it's the shit, who cares? Who cares? If we had won it, would everyone have this mindset? I've seen Arsenal win this competition twice. 87, I was knee-high to a grasshopper. I was like 5, 6. And then again in 93 when it was part of a cup double with the FA Cup, beating Sheffield Wednesday in both finals. I'm flabbergasted. I'm amazed. I am actually baffled that a club that has won 4 trophies since we've been at the Emirates can just, as a fan base, go, don't matter. Who cares? Don't matter, mate. We've got bigger fish to fry. What are these bigger fish? Because if we don't win the league, which I don't think we will, I'd love us to win the league, but I don't think we will. I don't think we'll win the Europa League. I think there's some very good teams in that Europa League. I don't think we'll win that. So now it's the FA Cup. Well, we ain't got a great track record under this manager in the FA Cup, apart from this first season, half season, where he won it. Since then, he's kind of thrown it away every season by going, don't matter. When have Arsenal been in a position in the last 2 decades to pick and choose what competition they want to compete in? I've seen so many people sitting there going, Champions League. I had loads in my live chat on the Man City game. Oh, Champions League football is better than winning a trophy, the EFL Cup. What? Where has this mindset come from? Like, I'm not even angry we've lost. I'm very disappointed we've lost. I'm more disappointed than angry because for me, it is a trophy. I'm not going to sit there in 15, 20, 30 years' time when I have grandchildren and go, oh, by the way, in 2023, my team got to the Champions League. Oh, how did they do that, Granddad? Oh, well, they finished 4th in the league. Oh, so they didn't win the league, Granddad? No, they didn't win it. They finished 3rd or 2nd or 4th, whatever it may be. Okay, so the Champions League, what does that mean, Granddad? Oh, that's a competition with the big ears, the Gary Lineker. So you qualify from league position. You go to try and win a cup competition. So did you win that competition, Granddad? No, my team didn't win it. Oh, okay. So what other tournaments and competitions are there? Oh, well, there was the EFL Cup, the FA Cup. Oh, did you win them? No, we decided that we didn't want to take part in them ones. So what we did is we just let the other team win, really. We competed, but we didn't put our best players out in that competition because we had bigger fish to fry. Oh, what are they, Grandad? Oh, the bigger fish to fry were to get into the one with the big ears to then not go and win it. What is going on here? Real talk. What is going on here? Since when have Arsenal been that club to go, actually, no, we're not going in. We can't be bothered with that. No, actually, no. We've got one game left after tonight before a World Cup where we have 5 or 6 weeks off until Boxing Day, 26th of December. Throw your best team out, my friend. Do you know what tonight showed me? Like, I see the starting 11. I haven't seen the game. Obviously, nobody's seen the game unless you're at the ground. But when I see that starting 11, on that Man City watch along I did, I see the starting 11. I said, we're not signing players in January. And if we do, they're nobodies that no one's ever heard of that ain't going to elevate us. Yeah. And the reason I say that, before you lot start crying in the comment section, if we actually was going to sign players in January of a decent standard to boost the squad, to kick us on and actually try and go for trophies this season, then we wouldn't have just thrown that game tonight. Yeah, we wouldn't have thrown that game tonight. Fair play to Brighton. Big up to Brighton. Yeah, I don't dislike Brighton Football Club in any way, shape or form. Big up to them, yeah? But they made 6 changes tonight. We made 10. 10. 10. Yep, 10. We would have had 2 League Cup games in January if we had got through tonight. 2. Add in the league games, which I believe are Newcastle, Spurs and Everton. So that's now 5 games. Now add in an FA Cup game, which comes in January. We now have 6 games in January. That there tells me, as an Arsenal fan of 40 years old, with mad experience of watching this football club slowly decline over multiple decades, this club is not serious about actually winning that trophy or any trophy. The target is 4th. I keep hearing football fans that support this club. 4th is the aim. 4th is, I keep hearing ex-players. Big up Kevin Campbell. He told me he's going to start. Ray Parler's come out and said, yo, we need to go and buy players. Big up KC, man. I went on a show with him and Dan Potts the other day. I said, yo, you ex-players need to start raising it a bit. Raise the standards, bro. Start demanding players. We got a great opportunity to win something this season. Well, guess what? We've just thrown one in the bin because apparently the Wolves game at the weekend is bigger than this. Well, surely we have a crop of players there that could have navigated both of them games, considering we've got no games for 6 weeks. Like, come on. I'm not even angry. I'm sitting, I'm laughing, but it's a sarcastic laugh. It's like, I've seen Arsenal win this competition twice. One of them was a cup double in '93. I've seen us win this twice. But now the modern day fan is, it's the shit cup, mate. Oh, we got bigger fish. Bigger fish what? Bigger fish who? Turn it in. If Arsenal don't win anything this season and finish top 4, unfortunately, the way modern football has gone, with Wenger lowering the standards, saying 4th is a trophy, Sky Sports dramatising top 4, BT Sport doing the same, ex-players coming out, top 4. 3rd loser, bro. Yeah, 3rd loser. That was an opportunity tonight to go, bosh, we're in the next round. Cheers. But instead, it don't matter. Tottenham got knocked out. Let's laugh at Tottenham. Why are you laughing at Tottenham? We got knocked out as well, mate. Like, why are you laughing? But unfortunately, this is the sad, weird society, social media society that we live in 2022. Last season, our fans were jumping for joy when Minamino skied a sitter over the bar and Benjamin Scheidt was going, laughing at him. And then Granit Xhaka happened in the next game. If we had got to the final and won this competition, I very, very much doubt that our fans on the masses and in their droves would be sitting there tonight going, don't matter, we've got bigger fish to fry, mate. The aim for this football club for the last 15 years or so has been top 4. It's a sad indictment of where we are as a football club. Top of the league, fantastic. Best team in the league this season by a country mile. That ain't even a debate. Yeah, we've got some of the best players in the league on form at the moment. That ain't even a debate. But to throw that cup competition away tonight like he did, I've not seen it. Don't know how the game went. But I know from that starting 11, 10 changes, I'm sorry, we're not that club. We are not that club that can pick and choose what we want to try and go for. Yeah, if we win nothing this season and end up top 4, well, sorry, that ain't a success to me. Go and try and win a trophy. It's all about trophies. The aim of elite sport is to win the major honor, not to sit there and say, well, we got into a competition by finishing 3rd loser, and then guess what? We got spanked 5-1 by Bayern München. Yay! For the 3rd time in 3 fucking years. Madness. Actually insane. Anyway, leave your thoughts down below. I know most of you that will watch this will go, oh, yeah, why are you? I'm not moaning. I'm just disappointed. I'm actually genuinely disappointed. That is a cup competition that we could have took seriously this season. The last 5 or 6 winners of this competition have been the best 2 teams in the league. How comes they can say, oh, but Lee, Man City have got a better squad than us? Well, Liverpool fucking haven't, have they? Anyway, on that bombshell, keep your eyes peeled, subscribe, like, share. Goonies fan cam's coming out for the Chelsea game. He's going to be on a mad one. Then me and him are going to do player ratings. Go back and check out the prick in the nick, being the prat in the hat, writing me love letters and all that. Go and check that video out as well. We're out of here. Adios, amigos. Disappointed, man. Mad thing. Laters. I'll be back again tomorrow. Ciao. Adios.